Hey everybody, my name is Mike. Welcome to the channel. Thanks for all the new subscribers. Appreciate that. Today, I need help. I really need some help. Here is the dilemma. Look, we have one silver W140 and we have another silver W140. And I kid you not, I just had a guy, this car is actually on Craigslist right now. Let me try to hide the license plate because I've been warned about that. But this guy drives up from a smaller town in Oklahoma and it's a physician. This guy is really smart and he's interested in this car even though it doesn't start. This car has that start error. You've seen the videos. Start error, start error, start error, start error. What the heck? So I'm talking to this guy and it's obvious we are both mentally ill because we're both highly educated. Okay, well, he's highly educated and we both love Mercedes. He has, I think, 10 different models of Mercedes, some beautiful cars. He was driving a CDI, like an 06, I guess it's a 350 CDI, beautiful car. But he's interested in this one. But I was actually sitting in that seat right there and I was thinking, can I let this go? Do I want to keep it along with that one? Or do I need to take the interior out of this one and put it in that one? So this is what I need help with, guys. This is the car, my first big body Mercedes that I purchased here in Oklahoma City, and I love the car. But I just don't know about the gray interior. See, there's, you know how they say contrast is what you're looking for, black and white and all that kind of stuff, red and tan. There's not a lot of that in this car. The leather's in good condition. The door cards, as they say in England, are in good condition. Look, it's beautiful back here. It really is nice, but it's not black. I like the black leather. So let me show you what's going on with the S320 that will not start. And yes, all kinds of clear coat issues. Here we have the back seat of this one. See how that's broken? So that would need to be addressed. The door cards are in pretty good condition. The black leather looks okay. It needs to be cleaned and they need to rejuvenate it with some oil. But I just love the black. This is a 99 W140. That's a 97 W140. So it should be an easy swap. The problem, the big deal, is the dash. See right here, the dash is actually black. The other one is a dark gray, which means all of this has to come out. The center console has to come out. Here's something that I need to address. See? Yeah. Hello, how you doing? Come on, choose me, choose me, choose me. But this is a big job. The headliner, all of that, it's just the same because it's that nice gray materials, headliner material right there. So I don't have to do that, but this is the big pain in the rear. Wow! So what do I do? I mean, the carpet's in good condition. Everything is fine here. Everything is the same size. I just need to figure out what's going on. And you know what? Something just occurred to me. Something popped into my head, okay? Maybe there is a difference, okay? Look at the legroom right there, okay? It's about a knuckle of legroom, okay? From knuckle to knuckle right there. Okay, let's go back here, see what's going on. Look at that. It's a knuckle and a half. See how I'm measuring that? Yeah. The S500, the S420 have a longer wheelbase. Yeah, see how long they are? See how far apart? The S320 is a shorter wheelbase. Look at the difference in the door. Look, I'm solving my own problem right here. See how long that door is? I didn't even think about this. And look at that.
That was its legitness.
So, from here to here is shorter than on the S500. Well, how do you like that? No, that literally just popped into my head. Because there is so much legroom back here, see? Let me go ahead and sit down. Okay, with my legs right there, from here to here. See, look, I'm going to work here, and I actually stopped to do this because I needed some help. I'm wearing pants. Yes, I'm wearing pants and shoes. This is a foot and up to the ball of my other foot. So a 1 3/4 back here. Let's see how we're doing in the other car. Okay, I hope you guys can comment. This may not even be possible anymore, but if there are a couple of W140 experts who watch this, please let me know. And I know the seat could be a little further back, but I'm going to a point that's fixed on the floor. So from here, I can't even get my foot up there. See? There's a big difference. So, dagnabbit. I guess that's not even going to be possible unless I find a carpet, which would involve getting another car. Yeah, so, well, we've answered our question. But I still need opinions. Should I keep this? Should I try to trace the problem? See how I have two of the key ring hanging down right there? Boom, boom, boom. I'm still trying to get the immobilizer behind the dash to work. That's the issue. The immobilizer is not talking to the ECU. That's why I get start error all the time when I'm trying to start this car. I would call it stupid, but I don't want to get the car mad at me because then she'll never start. Okay. We're going to take a scientific approach to figure this out right here. Look, yes, I have a tape measure. So what we're going to do, we're going to measure and check out the wheelbase. I could Google this, I know, but that's not half as fun. So from the middle of the wheel, right here, on the S320 with some issues, we're going to go backwards. See, we're going to follow this. Walking, we're walking, we're walking, we're walking, and look right there. From the middle of the wheel to the middle of the wheel, 10 feet, okay, 120 inches. Now, let's check it out with the S500. Oh, S500. Come on. Isn't this fun?
Oh, hell
It's like teaching
no.
again. Yeah, I used to teach. Oh, crap. And it just sucked it up right there. Okay. Here we go. Come on. Sorry if the camera's a little jerky right here, but let's just figure this out and then we'll know for sure. And I know I could measure the back seat, but I want to see what the wheelbase actually is on these cars. Okay, so from the middle, watch that little stick, right here. See, right there. We're going back, we're going back, we're going back. And it looks to be about 5 inches longer. Look at that. Yeah, it's about 5 inches longer. So it is a different wheelbase, which would indicate your 5 inches fits right there in the back seat. Okay. Well, that's that. I guess I won't be taking the interior from that car and putting it in here because I don't know where I'm going to find a long wheelbase, I guess, carpet for a W140. There's not a car like this at the junkyard right now in Oklahoma City. I guess I could check some other places. But, okay. Issue solved. We can't do anything. All right. I do want to say thank you to everybody. I did a walk around. Maybe you saw that with Randy. Super nice guy, super cool guy. He shared that yesterday, and I went up about 200 subscribers, which is fantastic. I have a good weekend ahead. We have some good weather here in Oklahoma, so I'm going to have probably 3 videos coming up on various cars. We got to get that C-Class, that W203. I'm going to put in some engine mounts and a transmission mount. I have that CL that I need to put in some new seats on, and we're going to fix an exhaust problem on that car. And in this car, my all-time favorite car, she is getting a new exhaust system. I spent $500 on the car, and then just yesterday I spent $800 for some catalytic converters, because there's four for this car. And right now there's no exhaust system at all, so this is super loud when you're going down the road. But we'll get that on. So we have 3 videos that we're going to be putting out very, very soon. Thank you guys and girls for watching. Please like, please subscribe, please spread the word on Facebook as well. I'm rambling, I know. I gotta go to work. Okay, everybody, bye.